Hello and welcome once again to learn to paint or draw with Blue Palette. In today's video, we'll see how to draw a monarch butterfly. So let's begin. So first we will draw the butterfly's body. So the head, then the upper body and the lower body. Next, we will add its antennas. After that, we will be drawing the wings. Now first we draw a line crossing through the upper body and the joint portion of the upper and the lower body. Now the inner side of the wing. So draw slowly and bring it down to here. The other one. Then the lower wings. So this is the inner side of the wings. Now we will add the outer part of the wings. So we'll make a wavy line. Whereas the lower part will be quite not so wavy. Yes, just like a lobe. Inside it, first we will draw a leaf-like structure in all four of it. And then we will draw some lines just like sun rays from the leaf to the outer wing. In every one of them we are drawing these lines. So once we are done with these lines, we will add some bubble borders. So we will thicken the borders. The borders thickness can vary. These are basically some curved lines. Which are joining the sun ray type of lines, the straight lines. So kind of connecting one line with the other with the curved lines. Now once the drawing is done, I will add a black border to my entire butterfly drawing with a black pen. Try to use a regular black pen or a gel pen which is waterproof so that your drawing does not get soiled if somehow it gets wet or something. So we'll outline the entire butterfly. Now this is how it looks when it is completely outlined. Now the important thing we need to do is we have to thicken these borders. So with a black pen only, I will start thickening the borders and let us see how it looks. Yes, many of you ask us whether we can use a sketch pen. My answer will be no. Please don't use a sketch pen because the sketch pen does not look good. It may be useful when we are writing a project or something, but for art, please don't use a sketch pen. Sometimes you can use a thick marker, that is also okay, but otherwise there are microchip pens and there are normal ballpoint pens that can be used for outlining and for making this kind of borders. Yeah, gel pens will also be okay, but you have to be careful. If you are using a gel pen, then use a waterproof one. So see, this is how we will start. Now, you see these corners, we have to make these corners also round. So basically, there will be no sharp corners. We are rounding off the major corner areas. Again, whenever I encounter a corner like this, I will make it a little round. I'll round off the corner. Also, at this point, we can make these lines a little thicker. Not necessary to make all the lines equally thick. Some of the lines may be thin and some of them may be thick. Then we are adding some shapes. And we continue to fill up the margin which we had thickened. So in the same way, we will be doing the lower side of our monarch butterfly. We will be covering up the thick borders and rounding off the sharp corners with our pen. So this is how our monarch butterfly will look after it is completely painted. Hope you enjoyed. See you next week.